Hello everyone. If you want to install HP Laserjet 1010 series printer driver and solve the issue of dot4 USB port issue, then this video will help you. This video will show you how to address the common issues regarding HP Laserjet 1010 series driver, like it does not work, dot4 USB port not found, PCL5 driver not found. Print the page with text Unsupported Personality PCLXL. Before we start, we need to download some drivers from HP official website. For Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10, we will need HP Universal Print PCL5 driver. PCL6 driver may not work. For Windows 8 and Windows 10, we will need dot4 communication driver. So let's start download the drivers now. Open your favorite browser and Google HP Universal Print driver. Click the link from the HP official website. Click download button. Select your location. Let's download HP Universal Print PCL5 driver first. Click change button. Select the correct Windows version. For Windows 10, choose Windows 8 because PCL5 is not available for Windows 10. I use Windows 10 64-bit, so I select Windows 8 64-bit. Click change button again. Click the first link, driver-universal print driver. Click the download button beside the label HP Universal Print driver for Windows PCL5. I save it on desktop. For Windows 8 and Windows 10 users, let's download dot4 communication driver. Click on change button again and select the correct Windows version. I select Windows 10 64-bit and then click change to confirm your selection. Click the link driver-USB. Click download button beside the label HP Laserjet USB dot4 communication driver. Let's save it on desktop. Download has finished now, so we can close the browser. If your Windows is Windows 8 or Windows 10, then we need to install dot4 driver. For Windows 7 users, skip this step. Double click the dot4 driver file we downloaded and then click run. After that, restart your computer. Now connect your printer to your computer using the USB cable and then turn on your printer. Next, we need to check the printer is connected to which port. This is very important to install the driver successfully. Right click on this PC or my computer and then select Properties. Click Device Manager. Expand Printers. I do not have HP Laserjet 1010 printer again, so I will use HP DeskJet 2540 to show you the process. Please note that you may get the connected printer unspecified or unrecognized. Just right click the printer and select Properties. Click Details tab and then select Device Instance Part. Here you will get USB 001. Or we can click Events tab and under the information section you will see USB 001. So now we know that USB 001 is the port on which the printer is connected. Please keep in mind that not all the computer will connect to dot4 port. HP Laserjet 1010 series may get connected to any of these virtual ports, dot4 or USB 001 or USB 002 and so on. We can close these windows now. Double click the HP Universal Print PCL5 driver file we downloaded before. Click Run. Click Unzip. Click OK to start the program. Click Yes to confirm the terms and agreements. Select the option Traditional Mode and then click Next. Select the option Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and then click Next. Select the option Use an existing port and select the port to which your printer is connected. So let's select the port USB 001 as this is the port to which the printer is connected. Click Next. Select any of this HP Universal Printing PCL5 version and then click Next. Click Next again. Type HP Laserjet 1010 and then click Next. Select a sharing option and then click Next. Click the button Print a test page to test the printer. Finally, click Finish button to finish the installation. Now we can see HP Laserjet 1010 printer on device and printer window. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to be updated with new videos every week. Take care and see you.